The Morimoto XB LED headlights for the 2015 to 2017 Ford F150 work with both the halogen and the LED model trucks. Now, if you've got an LED model truck, you're going to need to follow these instructions. If you've got a halogen factory truck, all you have to do is plug the headlight in exactly how it is, right out of the box. It'll work just fine. Now, when you order and receive your XB LED headlights, this is exactly how it's going to look on the back. All of these resistors and capacitors are plugged in properly. And in this video, I'm going to be unplugging these, and you can actually go as far as to remove these. Some people remove them, or just leave them unplugged. Absolutely up to you. Now, this is the wiring we're going to be working with today. Go ahead and unplug your low and high beam connector right here, and unplug your turn signal connector right here. At this point, we can install our LED adapter harness. Every connector on the LED adapter harness goes to a connector on the headlight. It's a real easy way to make sure you don't mess anything up. Plug the turn signal connector in like so. Plug in your LED low and high beam connector. Plug in your blue DRL connector. And on this orange connector, we've got a plastic protective cap here. Go ahead and remove that. And plug it in just like this. This end goes to your truck. At this point, you can mount and install your XB LED headlight.